Question 1. Which of the following are product of light reaction? Answer. Option A. ATP and NADPH are the product of light reaction. Question 2. Photochemical reaction occur in option B. Grana of chloroplast and in stroma of chloroplast chemical reaction occur. Question 3. In which reaction oxidation of H2O occur? Option A. Light reaction. Question 4. Example of photosynthetic pigment. Answer. Option D all. Bacteriochlorophylls, phycoerythrin and phycocyanin are example of photosynthetic pigment. Question 5. In which cycle both ATP and NADPH form? Option A. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Question 6. Which of the following metal contain plastocyanin protein? Option B. Copper. Question 7. Which of the following are water-soluble protein? Option D. B and C. Plastocyanin and ferredoxin is a water-soluble protein. Question 8. In oxygenic photosynthetic, which molecule acts as an electron donor? Answer. Option A. H2O act as an electron donor in oxygenic photosynthetic. Question 9. Plastoquinone present in? Answer. Option A. Photosystem 2. Question 10. Which of the following quinone are present in photosystem 1? Option D. Phylloquinone is present in photosystem 1. Question 11. Which of the following are true about cytochrome B6 complex? Option D all. Cytochrome B6 complex lies between photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 and photosystem 1. It oxidizes the plastoquinone and pumps proton from stroma into thylakoid lumen. Question 12. Which of the following are water-soluble protein? Option C both A and B. Plastocyanin and ferredoxin are water-soluble protein. Question 13. Phylloquinone is also known as option C both A and B. Vitamin K and vitamin A1. 14. DCMU 3,4-dichlorophenyl 1-dimethylurea block the electron flow from option B photosystem 2 to cytochrome B6 complex. Question 15. Which of the following photosystem is involved in cyclic electron flow? Option C photosystem 1. 16. What is the electron source of anoxygenic photosynthesis? Option D all. Hydrogen sulfide, sulfur, organic matter are the electron source of anoxygenic photosynthesis. 17. In purple sulfur bacteria, photosynthetic pigment located in option D plasma membrane and chromatophore. And in purple non-sulfur bacteria also plasma membrane and chromatophore. Question 18. In green sulfur bacteria, photosynthetic pigment located in answer B chlorosome and plasma membrane. 19. In green non-sulfur bacteria, photosynthetic electron donor as a option D all. Sugar, organic matter, amino acid are the source which are the photosynthetic electron donor. 20. Which of the following anoxygenic photosynthetic bacteria bacteria are photolithotrophs? Option D both A and B. Green non-sulfur bacteria and purple sulfur bacteria are anoxygenic photosynthetic photolithotroph. 21. Bacteriorhodopsin are present in option B halophils. 22. In eukaryotic photosynthetic organism, Calvin cycle take place in Option C, stroma of chloroplast. And in cytosol, prokaryotic photosynthetic organism, Calvin cycle occur. 23. What is the end product of Calvin cycle? Option C, crystaldehyde 3-phosphate is the end product of Calvin cycle. 24. In Calvin cycle, how many CO2 molecules require for synthesis of 1 molecule of crystaldehyde 3-phosphate? Option B, 3 molecules of CO2 require for 1 molecule of crystaldehyde 3-phosphate. 25. Which of the following is not a phase of Calvin cycle? Option D, phosphorylation. Remaining 3, carboxylation, reduction, regeneration are the phase of Calvin cycle. 26. Which of the following peacemaker enzyme of Calvin cycle? Option A, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate carboxylase and oxygenase Rubisco is the peacemaker enzyme of Calvin cycle. 27. Which of the following sentences are true about Rubisco? Option D, all. It's a complex of 8 large subunit and 8 small subunit. Optimum pH for its activity is 8 and activity regulated by CO2, O2, Mg+2 and pH. 28. Which of the following reaction of reduction phase? Option A, conversion of 3-phosphoglycerate into crystaldehyde 3-phosphate is the reaction of reduction phase. 29. How many ATP and NADPH molecule required for synthesis of 1 crystaldehyde 3-phosphate? Option B, 9 molecules of ATP and 6 molecules of NADPH required for the synthesis of 1 molecule of crystaldehyde 3-phosphate. 30. Which of the following molecules are precursor for the synthesis of starch and sucrose? Option C, crystaldehyde 3-phosphate is the precursor for the synthesis of starch and sucrose. 31. The synthesis of starch occur in option A, chloroplast. 32. The synthesis of sucrose occurs in option B, cytosol. 33. ADP glucose phosphorylase enzyme is used for the synthesis of option B, starch. 34. UDP glucose pyrophosphorylase enzyme used for the synthesis of option A, sucrose.